So we've gotten out on Dewey Lake a few times this year. Had some pretty luck every time out. Dewey not only has a good bass population, but also has quite a few muskie. Pretty much every time out we've caught some fish. I haven't caught a ton of fish, but we've got quality fish. You can still safely, socially distance yourself and go out and fish. I know for the most part I go out. I like to fish alone. I'll go out by myself. We were lucky to get out that one time this year and catch that giant muskie. And I've got all those trips here together for you in this one video. So I come by a lot of my lures secondhand from Backwaters in Lexington. Backwaters is our own little tackle warehouse here in Kentucky. One of the baits that we did a lot of work this spring on Dewey Lake with was the thing about a spinnerbait is that's a lure that almost anyone can throw. Fish. Pounder, we call it 3. Put her back. I was running up the lake just looking for spots to fish. I noticed a spot on the right hand side as I was running up that had some fresh cut timber. As soon as I pulled up, I saw a couple shad, second or third cast, boom, I knew it wasn't a bass just the way it hit. I just assumed it was a muskie. It's just based on the length of the fish. When I try to net it, it's the net's not even close to the length of the fish. I was kind of hoping it would fold up, but those fish are so strong. They're like a missile. And I had really no other option than to hand land that fish, and I've never hand landed a muskie. Wow. Just couldn't believe how bad it smelled. See the outline of that fish where it slapped the carpet. Maybe 17-pound fish. I didn't weigh it. I'm into the conservation things. I put it back. That's what I always do with my bass and everything. Let them grow. A lot of times being different has enabled me to catch that big fish or to catch more fish. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I got another video coming up for you real soon next week, and that video is going to go through all the cameras set up in the boat, how I use those different tools, and how you can get yourself started with some basic cameras and tools and be able to capture all your fish catches like I am. I have as much fun probably putting these videos together as I do going out and fishing. Just something I really enjoy doing. It's become a great hobby just that coincides with my bass fishing and outdoors time.